Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to continue the story, The Wise Men of Ramnagar. Okay, so in the last video, I told you that they had a meeting and they had a plan. Okay, but we don't know what is the plan. So let's read out. So you just see your book, page number 91. So we'll continue from here. A week after the meeting, a man from the town came to Ramnagar. Okay, so after that meeting got over, after one week, one man from the town came to Ramnagar. When he got the village, he saw a great crowd of the people beside the river. So you can see the picture. Okay, crowd means where people, a large number of people gathered. So that is called your crowd. The man from the town was curious. As you know, the meaning of curious is what? Eager to know about something or to get information. He went over to where the people had gathered. Okay, so he went to the place where people were gathered. He squeezed through the crowd and saw an amazing sight. Squeezed means here managed to get into or through a narrow space. Okay, so anyhow he managed, and he saw a very amazing sight. There were 7 men standing on the bank of the river and 7 men on the other. They were holding a thick rope which stretched across the river. Okay, so he had seen that in this picture. You can see 7 people this side, 7 people other side of the bank. They were holding a thick rope, okay, which was stretched. Stretch means little bit pulling, okay, so from that side and that side, okay. In the middle, someone had tied a cup. You can see here, one cup is tied in middle, okay. What are they doing? Asked the man. So the man from the town asked that what they are doing. They are taking water out of the river, replied a woman standing close by. Okay, so one woman they were like, she was standing, and when he asked like that, so she replied that they are taking water out of the river. With the cup? Asked the man. So the man was he find it very strange that with a cup from this river, he was very strange, he was feeling very strange about it. Oh yes, replied the woman. Okay, so the woman replied that yes, but it will take hours to get a bucket full, said the man. Okay, so the man said that if they will do like this, so it will take an hour to get one bucket of water. Okay, yes, said the woman, it's slow, but we always get water out of the river like this. It's a slow way, but it always works. Okay, so she said that yes, we know, but in this way only we take out water from the river, and we know that this is slow, but this works. Okay, this always works. The man from the town was very surprised indeed. He scratched his chin and said to himself, okay, these people are all mad. Okay, so when the man from the town, he find this thing very strange, and he was very surprised for that. Okay, and scratched means strike out. Okay, so he was scratching his chin, and he was saying that these people are all mad. Okay, what they are doing, this is waste of time. He was feeling like that. Okay, when he got back to the town, he told all his friends about what he had seen in the village. Okay, so whatever he had seen, this incident, he shared with his friends. All his friends laughed and laughed. Okay, so after hearing this, obviously, how can someone be so stupid? So this way they were very laughing at them. One or two of the man's friends just could not believe that people could be so stupid. Okay, so some of the friends of that man, they were not believing that how can this be happen? Like how can some person can be so stupid? Okay. Stupid means what? With no common sense. Okay, that means silly people. So the next day, 2 of them trotted off to Ramnagar to see for themselves. Okay, so some of out of the friends, 2 of them, they trotted off. Trotted off means they leave to the Ramnagar. Okay, they leave from the town to Ramnagar to saw the thing by themselves. When they arrived at the village, they found a huge crowd of people around a tall tree. Okay, so when they were arrived at the village, so they have seen that again a crowd around a tall tree. The trunk of the tree was nearly 2 meters wide. Okay, so the trunk means the body, the trunk of the tree, that was nearly 2 meters wide. Okay, not that much. 2 men were busily working on the trunk. Okay, so two men were they were working on that trunk. Each had a small pen knife in his hand and was cutting the wood. Okay, so that means they want to cut out the wood, so that's why they were working on that, and they were using pen knives. Okay, that means a small knife whose blade can be folded away into the handle. Okay, generally we use some compass boxes that contain. Okay, so they were using that pen knives. They were working so hard that the sweat was pouring off their forehead. Okay, so that means, with that pen knives, it's very difficult to cut, right? So that's why they were like all sweating, and sweat are pouring off. That means falling from their forehead. Okay. What are they doing? Asked one of the men from the town. Okay, so two men were there. So one of them asking that what they are doing. Why? They're cutting down the trees, replied one of the villagers. Can't you see? Okay, so one of the villagers said that, don't you see that they are cutting the trees with pen knives? Asked the townsman. Okay, so they're asking like with pen knives, who cuts the wood? Okay, who cuts the tree? Yes, said a villager in the crowd. We always cut down trees with pen knives. But it will take a year or two, said the townsman. Okay, so one of the villagers said that yes, in this way only we cut down trees. Okay, and then the one man from the the town is saying that it will take years. Okay, that means it will take 1 or 2 years. Okay, to cut down, because it was what, 2 meter wide. Okay. Yes, replied the villager, it's slow, but it is a good method. It always works. Okay, then one of the villagers said that, yes, it will take little longer time, or it is slow, but it always works. What are they doing? Asked one of the men from the town. Okay, so one of the men from the town, they were asking that what they are doing. Why? They're cutting down the tree, replied one of the villagers. Can't you see? Okay, so one of the villagers said that, can't you see? They are cutting down the tree with pen knives, asked the townsman. Okay, so the townsmen, that means the two men from the town, they were asking that with pen knives, who can cut the trees? Yes, said the villagers in the crowd. We always cut down trees with pen knives. Okay, so one of the villagers said that we always do this method only. We always cut down the trees with pen knives. But it will take a year or two, said the townsman. Okay, so the two men from the town, they were saying that it will take 1 or 2 years to cut down the trees. Yes, replied the villager. It is slow, but it is a good method. It always works. Okay, so you can see with pen knives, it will take so many time, right? Those still 2 meter wide. Okay, so they replied that yes, we know it's slow, but it always works. The men from the town were quite astonished. Okay, astonished means greatly surprised. Okay, or amazed. They went back to their town. Soon the news about the villagers and their odd behavior spread like wildfire. Okay, wildfire means a fires in fire. Okay, that spread rapidly. Okay, that means it's used as as a term. It means the news, it is spreaded all over. Okay, so everyone was talking about their odd behavior, because no one do so. No, odd behavior. The people of Ramnagar are quite mad, the townsfolk said. Okay, so it is spread all over that the people of Ramnagar are quite mad. Okay, so that all the townsmen, they were spreading this news. The news even reached the district officer. Okay, so the district officer also get information about this. What's all this about? Asked the district officer. Are the people of Ramnagar really mad? Okay, so the district officer asked that what is going on? What is this news about? Are they really mad? Yes, indeed they are. Okay, that means one of his chief clerks said that yes, this statement is true. That's why indeed is written. Okay, so indeed means used to emphasize the statement. That means yes, it is true. Okay. They take water out of the river with a cup. They cut down trees with pen knives. They're quite crazy. Okay, so whatever the incident the townsmen saw, so that one, the assistant, that chief clerk, He was explaining with the to the district officer. Are they dangerous? Asked the district officer nervously. So by hearing all these activities, like, odd behavior, the district officer get nervous and he was saying that, are they dangerous? I don't know, said the clerk. Okay, so the clerk said, I don't know, because they were not doing any predictable thing. No, who cannot think about it, so they are doing that. So that's why the clerk said, I don't know. The following day, the district officer and a few of the other important people of the town went to Ramnagar to find out more. Okay, so the next day, the district officer and the other people, they decided that we will find out the thing. What is the reality? When they got there, they saw a long line of women walking to and from a large anthill. Okay, so when they reached the village, so they have seen that a long line of women walking to an anthill. Okay, large anthill. Anthill means, where ants make their colonies. Okay, so each woman were carrying a basket. So from that line, each woman, they were carrying a basket along with them. The first woman in the line stepped up to the anthill and took an ant from the moist earth. Okay, so from that anthill, okay, so that first woman, she picked up a ant from that moist earth. Okay, moist earth means that wet soil. Okay, then she put the ant in her basket and carried it away. Okay, then she put that ant into her basket and then she carried it away. What are they doing? Asked the astonished district officer. Okay, so the district officer, he have seen that. Okay, and he has seen that, and he asked that what they are doing. They are carrying away ants, replied a man standing nearby. So one man from that village, he said that they're carrying away the ants. Why? Asked the district officer. Then district officer asked that, why? Because ants are very dangerous, said the man. They eat everything. We must carry them away. Okay, so the man replied that the ants are very dangerous because they eat so many things. So that's why we should carry them away. But one in each basket? Cried the district officer. That's ridiculous. So he said that, okay, that's okay. But one in one basket, that is ridiculous. Okay, ridiculous means what? Very silly or not sensible. Okay, we always do it that way, replied the man. It's slow, but it's a good method. It always works. Okay, then the man replied that we always do like this. Okay, and we know that this one is slow, but this always works. When the district officer returned to town, he called a meeting. Okay, so after observing all this thing, when the district officer came back, so he called a meeting. I have been to Ramnagar, he announced. The people there are quite mad. They take water out of the river with a cup. They cut down trees with penknives. They carry away ants one by one. They are lunatics. Don't go near them. Okay, so in that meeting, district officer said that the people of Ramnagar, they are quite mad. They take out water from the river with the cup. They cut down trees with the penknives. They carried away ants one by one in a basket. So that's lunatics. Okay, lunatics means what? Lunatics means people who are crazy or very foolish. Okay, so they are called lunatics. So they are lunatics. Don't go near them. Okay, so they may be dangerous. So that's why don't go near them. But sir, said one of the secretaries, our new road is going to go right past Ramnagar. Okay, so one of his secretary, so he said that, sir, but our road, what we are going to construct, so that is going to right past Ramnagar. Okay, that means that is nearby the Ramnagar. Then change the plans, roared the district officer. We shall build the road along the top of the hill. It must not be constructed near the village. Okay, so the district officer said that whatever it may be or whatever it was planned, now change the plan and we will make the road in another way, but not nearby that Ramnagar. Okay, so the road was built along the top of the hill and did not go anywhere near Ramnagar. So after that, when this decision was made, so after that the road was built along the top of the hill. Okay, The people of the village plowed their fields and went back to an undisturbed way of life. They were not mad at all. They were very wise. Okay, so here it is said that after doing all this thing, when the road finally made from the top of the hill, so the village means field, the village field or the area, so that one do not get any disturbance and hampered. And after that, people of that village, they plowed the field, they do their agriculture, okay, they cultivated their crops, okay, and they started living a undisturbed life. So it is said that they were not mad, actually they were very wise. Okay, so wise means, so having knowledge or good judgment. Okay, so by using their brain, they planned actually this, so that everyone can think that they were mad, but actually they were very wise. Okay, so this one is written by David Horsburgh, as I mentioned earlier. Okay, so this is the end of this story. You go through the new words, okay, words to know. Here everything is given, and some more word meaning I will give when I will share the comprehension part. Okay, so till then you read up to this much. Okay students, thank you.